KVR Maths Academy, Maths an easy way.
Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss problem I in question number 2 in exercise 4.1 in pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before doing this problem, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's go through this. Yeah. See, this is the question. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. This is the problem I. Already 8 problems we have discussed in the before videos. So this is in this video, let's discuss 9th one only. Right? Yeah, this is 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 are the given equations. Write down. Solution. Given equations are 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So let us compare these equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So those are only the general forms of the pair of linear equations in two variables, no? So let us compare these equations with those. Right? Yes. Compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Right? Yes. Now a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to minus 2, right? And sorry, a2 not, this is b1 and c1 is equal to minus 2. a1 2, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 2, right? So in the same way, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 4, right? c2 is equal to minus 5, right? Let us find the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, which means 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, this is also 1 by 2. These both are equal and let us check c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled, 2 by 5. So look here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So the given lines are yes, inconsistent. Inconsistent, those does not have any solution and those are parallel lines. Right? Yes, that is only write down. Here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So, the given pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent and have no solution. No solution means parallel lines. Those are parallel lines or not, let us check on the graph. Right? So let us solve graphically. Yeah. First draw the tables for the given equations. Yes, first one, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Right? Yeah. So take two values enough for these graphs. This is x, y, x comma y. So if you take x is equal to 0, this whole term will become 0. Minus 2y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by minus 2. That will be minus 1. So this is 0 comma minus 1. So in the place of y, if you take 0, this whole term will become 0. 2x is equal to 2 means x is equal to 1. This will be 1 comma 0. So if you take y in the place of x is equal to 0, we have got y is equal to minus 1. If we take y is equal to 0, we have got x is equal to 1. So the given lines, given points are these, and we have obtained points are 0 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 0. Right? So this is about first equation. Let us solve second equation also. What is that? 4x minus 4y is equal to 5. Right, here also take 2 points. Those are 2 values for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. X comma y. Right? So yes, in the place of x, if you substitute 0, this whole term will become 0. Minus 4y is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4 means 1.25, right? Exactly. So that will be minus 1.25. So 0 comma minus 1.25. This point will be. So in the place of y is, if you substitute 0, then 4x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means, yes, that will be also 1.25. See, 5 by 4 means 4, 1 times get cancelled, 4 ones are 4, 1, put point and put 0, 4 twos are 8, 2 0, 4 5 is 20. So 5 by 4 means 1.25. So that's why here also minus 5 by 4, which means minus 1.25. Here plus 5 by 4, this which means 1.25 only. So value is, the point is 1.25 comma 0. So obtained points are here 0 comma minus 1.25 and here 1.25 comma 0. So for these points, let us draw the lines on the graph sheet. Yes. Okay, obtained points for the first equation 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 are 0 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 0. Right? 0 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 0. And for the second equation 4x minus 4y is equal to 5 is 0 comma minus 1.25 and 1.25 comma 0. Right? Let us plot these points on this graph sheet. Right? Yeah. See, I have drawn 2 coordinate axes. One is x-axis and another one is y-axis, intersect at origin O or 0 comma 0, right? Yes. Next, on x-axis and y-axis, I have taken scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Isn't it? Yes. So now let us plot the points. First one, 0 comma minus 1. Here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 1. So where it will be? Yes, x coordinate is 0 no? So that's why this point lies on y-axis. So 0 comma minus 1 this. Right. Next here, this one is 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0, here x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. That's why this point lies on x-axis. So 1 comma 0 is this one. Right. Now let us join these 2 points. Right. So this is the line of the equation 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Next, for the second equation 0 comma minus 1.25. 0 comma minus 1.25. Yes, this point will be lies on y-axis and this point will be lies on x-axis. 0 comma minus 1.25. So 0 comma minus 1.25. Look here, this one. So 1.25 means 1.2 or 1.3 we may take. Right? So in the same way, this is 1.25 comma 0 on x-axis. 1.25, 1.2 or 1.3 you may take. So join these both. Yes. So this is the equation of line 4x minus 4y is equal to 5. So this equation belongs to this line, right? Yes, this equation belongs to this line. See, observe these carefully. So what are these? These both are parallel lines or not? Exactly, parallel lines. So these do not have any solution. Why? Because already we have proved these are inconsistent, no? Yes, a system is inconsistent. So that is only write down. From the graph, the lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, the given pair of linear equations in two variables have no solution. Understood clearly? So finally this conclusion also we should write. So finally what we have to write? Yes, scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, isn't it? On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.